Hello, munting kaibigan! Isipin natin ang isang makulay na maliit na tren na dumaraan sa lahat ng kulay ng bahaghari. Matututo ba tayo ng kaunting kanta sa Ingles? Paalam na!
Bus driver, look at the road, look at the road. There are kids aboard, there are kids aboard. Careful, please, careful, please. Driver, 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 look at the pole, look at the pole. It's not made of rubber, it's not made of rubber. Don't be stubborn, don't be stubborn. Ticket collector, look at the change, look at the change. There is something strange, there is something strange. Please exchange, please exchange. Bus driver, look at the road, look at the road. There are kids aboard, there are kids aboard. Careful, please, careful, please. Driver, 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 look at the pole, look at the pole. It's not made of rubber, it's not made of rubber. Don't be stubborn, don't be stubborn. Ticket collector, look at the change, look at the change. There is something strange, there is something strange. Please exchange, please exchange. Don't be stubborn, don't be stubborn. My little yellow chick fits right here in my hand. And whenever he gets hungry to look for bugs, he scratches the ground. My little yellow chick fits right here in my hand. And whenever he gets hungry to look for bugs, he scratches the ground. He flaps his wings, he says beep beep, but he runs and hides when an eagle flies by. He flaps his wings, he says beep beep, but he runs and hides when an eagle flies by. My little yellow chick fits right here in my hand. And whenever he gets hungry to look for bugs, he scratches the ground. My little yellow chick fits right here in my hand. And whenever he gets hungry to look for bugs, he scratches the ground. He flaps his wings, he says beep beep, but he runs and hides when an eagle flies by. He flaps his wings, he says beep beep, but he runs and hides when an eagle flies by. He flaps his wings, he says beep beep, but he runs and hides when an eagle flies by. He flaps his wings, he says beep beep, but he runs and hides when an eagle flies by. The sun has appeared, it's time to wake up now. Stretch those arms, let's get out of our beds. One foot after the other, walk, 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 as the day is about to begin. Brush your teeth well, up and down again. Turn on the tap now and wash that pretty face. good. I hope you have a good night. Sleep, 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 'cause the night is just about to start. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Giramille at the safari, E-I-E-I-O. And on the safari there was a toucan, E-I-E-I-O. And Tuco flew over here, and Tuco flew over there, and Tuco flew everywhere, E-I-E-I-O. Giramille at the safari, E-I-E-I-O. And on the safari there was a lion, E-I-E-I-O. And Maine roared over here, and Maine roared over there, and Maine roared everywhere, E-I-E-I-O. Giramille at the safari, E-I-E-I-O. And on the safari there was a zebra, E-I-E-I-O. And Chim ran over here, and Chim ran over there, and Chim ran everywhere, E-I-E-I-O. Giramille at the safari, E-I-E-I-O. And on the safari there was an elephant, E-I-E-I-O. And Trunk trumpeted over here, and Trunk trumpeted